Hello friends, I welcome you all to this new video. Today I'm going to talk on Kachava reviews. This video will help you know whether the product I'm talking on is a legit or a scam. If you have not ordered this product yet, this unbiased review of mine will help you decide the answer to your questions. Should I buy the product or not? If you have experienced any fraud with this product, watch this video till end as I'm going to share a way to get your money back. But before that, let's find out some essential details about the product in this video. Guys, here you can see this is Kachava, a tribal superfood. Now people from United States are interested in knowing whether this tribal superfood can be a good meal replacement, whether we can take this product in place of our breakfast or lunch or not. So I'm going to clear all the doubts in this video, friends. But before I share all these details and I talk about the product in detail, its specification, its ingredients, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel as it will boost our spirit to make more informative videos for your help. As you can see here in this video that this product has already received 4.7 stars out of 5 and Kachava reviews are positive, but to prove the effectiveness of the product, first find out all the specifications, pros and cons, and then only we can finally say whether it is worth buying or not. As you can see, this product is available in 2 different flavor and it is in a powder form. You have to mix the powder in water and then you're ready with your meal replacement. You can replace it against your unhealthy breakfast and lunch. It is a plant-based superfood which is full of so many nutrients. As you can see here, it has maca root, sacha inchi, macu berry, chia seeds, flax seeds, coconut, acai berry and many other ingredients. You can also see the list of full ingredients by clicking on their full ingredient list. Now this product is made with a mission to empower healthy lifestyle and bring a togetherness with the best superfood into a single ready to go meal. All you have to do is simply mix the powder in the water and your meal for the day is ready. This meal is highly nutritious for your body. It satisfies your hunger and it sustains you on the journey of life. This is a creamy and smooth mixture which kids will also like. As I already shared that it is available in 2 different flavors. All the nutrients which you will gain with the help of this product includes protein, fiber, omega-3, greens, MTCs, probiotics, adaptogens, vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. We also find with the help of Kachava reviews that this product is full of all these nutrients and people who are consuming it are happy with the result. Also, you will find that the product is available on social media websites. Friends, this is a great product which is rich in fiber, vitamin E, vitamin A, alpha, tocopherol, omega-3, 6 and 9. So it has a rich profile of nutrients. Moving further, friends, and talking about the benefits of this product, I would say that it is 100% vegan. It does not include any dairy. It is gluten free, no soy, no preservatives and no artificial color, flavor and sweetener is added to the product. But as every coin has 2 sides, we found some cons related to the product. As according to the Kachava reviews, not much detail have been found about the effectiveness of the ingredient used in making the product. Also, friends, it is available in only 2 flavors and many people who does not like these 2 flavors are not in favor of buying the product. But yes, it is a good substitute of your unhealthy fried food which you take in your breakfast or lunch or dinner. So you can skip those meal and you can buy this product which comes with a refund 100% refund money. If you are not satisfied with the product, you can take your money back even after 30 days. So overall, friend, I would like to say that the customer reviews and all the collected information state that the product is 100% legit. You can buy this product if you like vanilla and chocolate flavor and if you are looking for a healthy meal in your day. So friends, if you are looking for the money back option, it's simple. All you have to do is view the link which we have given in our description box. Make sure you view the link properly. Please share your thoughts on this video. Like this video, subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. Be safe, be informed. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.